Hi everyone, it's Ann. I'm here to do International Crafters 12 Weeks of Christmas. I was trying to remember what the title was. Sorry about that. I wasn't able last week to do week 3 because I was away out of town. And sometimes when I will film ahead and sometimes I will just stick with the schedule. So unfortunately I had no time to film before I left, so I'm a little behind, so I'm playing catch up. So this is week 3, and then I'll be doing week 4 sometime later in the week, but this is week 3. And because we're getting ready for the holidays, for Christmas and all of that, and we all, you know, if you're getting ready and you're making presents and you're doing all that kind of stuff, you know, like last week or the week before last, I showed you something that I was making as a gift. And this week, of course, we need tags, right? We need gift tags. So this is something I did last year. I like to take old Christmas cards, and I had a bunch left from over the years exchanging cards and things. And this was from a vintage Christmas card, and I took my Sizzix die cut and I cut them into tags, and then I had some other little bits and pieces of leftover sayings and pictures and things from other cards as well, so I turned it into a gift card. So you can see what I did here with this one. So here's an example. So this year I don't have any cards left over, so I had an old box, and it's pretty thick. It's almost like a chipboard, and it was red, kind of a shiny red box. I think I got something for Christmas last year in a box like this, and I had cut them all up prior to moving, so I have tons of blank tags left over from doing a Sizzix die cutting thing. Sometimes when you get started, you just can't stop and you just keep going and going. And it's kind of like jelly printing. I find myself doing the same thing when I get my jelly plate out. You can't stop. You got to keep going. It's addicting, okay? Same with tags. You can, or just die cutting things. You could just keep die cutting and die cutting and die cutting. And sometimes in my new house now, my dining room table, we have this big great room, and it's huge. And so in one area is an area where you can have your dining room table. So we bought a dining room table. It's a really good size, and it's got a good view of the TV. So when I need to really spread out, I will take stuff in there and do that. And so when I'm die cutting or whatever, I do that while I'm watching TV now. So what I did was I took some old book pages, vintage book pages that I had, and I die cut some trees. I had bought this die cut. I don't know what I did with it. Here it is. I'll show you what it is. It's by Little Bee, and it's got different trees, tree shapes for winter or for fall or whatever, and it's got these branches as well. So I used this particular die cut set, and so I'm taking these and I'm going to figure out where I'm going to put them on my tag. Okay, and then I've got these like flowers that I got from Michael's last year for other projects, and I got these wood die cuts that have reindeer on them, and I have a heart that I had die cut out of some Christmas scrapbooking paper. And then I had this saying left over from a Christmas card. So I've got that. I've got these cool bells that I got at the dollar store. I've got candy canes and candy. And I've got these cute, really cute owls. Aren't those cute? I got these last year at Michael's too, I believe. So I've got all these cute little stuff. So I'm going to put together, I'm going to speed through this so I don't bore you to tears, and I'm going to glue and add and create and, you know, make this a beautiful tag as for a Christmas gift. So I hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope it'll inspire you to go out and make yourself some Christmas tags for the holidays. And Don't forget to check out International Crafters Facebook group. I will post a link down in the description box below. And again, thank you, Eileen and Nikki, for giving me this opportunity to participate in your lovely event. Thanks again, and without further ado, I'm going to get started. Alright, so I'm going to use this stuff called Snow Tech by Deco Art. It's this white stuff. Almost looks like kind of like cottage cheese a little bit, but it goes on like dries like snow and goes on like snow, except I hope it hasn't dried out. I haven't used it in a long while, so it hasn't dried out yet. That's good. these 2 pieces of yarn, okay, that I like getting these cool pieces of yarn for the tags for decoration, and you can also use them to tie on to the present if you wanted to. All right, so I hope that you liked my take. This is my take on week 3 for the 12 weeks of Christmas, and I hope that you'll come back and visit me for the week 4, which will be coming up soon. Yeah, like I said, I was behind in filming, so I'm catching up. So I hope that you enjoyed this one and that this will inspire you to go out and make your own gift tags for your Christmas presents. Thanks again for watching. Toodles, bye. Have a wonderful day.